All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian with another awesome edition of Real Estate Insider. And today we're going to be showing you one of our clients. We boosted her credit score, how she went from a 553 to a 687. All right, that's a 120-point credit boost, and we did it for free for her, and we did it in 6 days, guys. You're going to be hearing from one of my great clients, Tiffany Atkins, here in Houston, Texas. They got pre-approved for a $300,000 home with zero down, 100% financing. She was a veteran. She got denied by her bank. She got denied by USAA. She got denied by Veterans United, and we were able to help her to get pre-approved to buy her brand new home, and now she's out there shopping for a house with one of our approved realtors. I just want to let you know, if you're out there and you're on the fence, you're hesitant, you're reluctant, you don't know what to do, and you got denied by a bank, we can help you to get you pre-approved to boost up your credit score. If you're a veteran, we'd love to help you to get you pre-approved with a no money down, 100% financing VA loan. It can totally happen. Don't let other people tell you or brainwash you that you can't qualify to buy a house with the VA and get 100% financing. You're going to hear from my client. She's going to call in today, Miss Tiffany. Here's a picture of her right here. You can check her out. She is living proof and testimony of the thousands of people that we've helped all over the United States to get pre-approved to be able to buy a home. Look at the reviews online. Check out Angelo Christian. You can see all the positive people that we've helped to help them to boost up their credit score. Those are real reviews from real customers. Whether you check Google, you can check Social Survey, check our Facebook, check our Instagram, check our YouTube channel. We've worked so hard to help to boost up people's credit score. And you think about that. Someone that starts at a 553, they've been denied by lenders. They got all those inquiries on their credit. They didn't know what to do with them. The VA doesn't even have a credit score requirement. We go down to a 500 credit score with the VA. But obviously, we want to help to get that person's credit score. But you look at this. If you see the before, you see the after. 553 to 687, guys. That's night and day. That's a miracle. And she didn't have to pay Lexington Law $2,000. We did it for free for zero by removing the stuff off of her credit. Whenever you apply with us, the way it works is we do a credit action plan, a credit booster to boost up your credit score. Okay? See, it doesn't make any sense. You're wasting money on rent. Why do that when you can own your own home? If you're wasting $1,500 a month on rent, why do that when we can help you to qualify to be able to buy your very own home? That's the opportunity. You see that interest rates are rising, home prices are rising. The Federal Reserve just raised the rates again. Now you're seeing rates go 5.5%, 6%. The further that you put off buying a house, the further the dream of home ownership is going to go. It's going to slip away. You think about a year ago, a house in Houston, a year ago, a house in Miami was $200,000. Now it's $220,000, $250,000. The prices are going higher. The interest rates are going higher. You're not going to be able to afford it if you wait another year. Now is the time. Now is the opportunity to be able to buy a house to get pre-approved. So click on the link below. You can get signed up for free. There is no application fee. There's no deposit. There's no contract. You don't pay anything to apply. Or you can call me and work with me directly at 832-431-6331. We want to help you to get pre-approved. If you have a credit score of 580 or higher, I'd love to help you to boost up your credit score to get you pre-approved. If you have the income, the ability to pay on your house, and you're paying rent, I can help you to qualify to buy a house. Don't let society or the world brainwash you and tell you you don't deserve to own a home. It's not true. We can help you to own a house. Let me do it just like we've helped Tiffany, just like we've helped thousands of people. I want to be able to help you to get pre-approved to be able to purchase your home. It can totally happen. If you believe in it, and that's the thing, we don't charge any application fee. There's no deposit. There's no contract. If you believe in it, it will come true, but you have to take action. Nothing's going to come to you. Like my dad always used to tell me and my mentors, you can take the horse to the water, but you can't make it drink. Okay? I can't make you do it. But if you take action, and that's my question to you is what does it cost you? What do you have to lose? You're not paying me any money. There is no application fee. There's no deposit. What do you have to lose? We do the work. We're going to get you pre-approved and boost up your credit score so you can get great terms, so you can get the money to be able to buy your house. You only live one life. You deserve to own a home, something you can call your own, something you can have your privacy, something that if you have a family, you can have the holidays with your children, Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's. You don't want to live in an apartment or someone else's home and make your landlord rich. Invest in your own house, buy your own real estate. Don't let the world brainwash you. Don't be a zombie chasing a mirage. Wake up and wake up and see what's going on. You're going to let a credit score, a fake credit score, keep you down from owning a house when I can help you to boost up your credit score so you can qualify to own your home? It doesn't make any sense to sit there on the fence. Click on the link below to get signed up so I can help you to get pre-approved. You don't pay anything to apply. There's no contract, or you can call me directly, 832-431-6331. I want to help you wherever you are in the United States to get you pre-approved. Whether you're trying to buy a house, you're a veteran, a millennial, first-time buyer, FHA, VA, USDA, commercial, hard money, apartment complex, whatever the deal is, I want to help you with the funding. If you have the ability to do it, I want to help you to make it happen. Also, guys, click on that bell on the YouTube page so you can get my notifications. You're going to get push notifications coming out to you every time we release a brand new video or a new podcast. We work very hard on the network to deliver great content to educate and empower you. Please follow us on our YouTube, our Facebook, our Instagram. Please share this with your friends, your family, your colleagues. We work extremely hard here to provide great information, great content to educate you and empower you with real estate, credit, and finance. And we're going to keep pumping out great information to put you in the best financial position we can. That is our purpose of why we're here, to help you. It's not about me. It's about helping you out there to accomplish your goals so you can own real estate, so you can invest, so you can take your life to the next level. I'm Angelo Christian. Guys, take care and peace out. Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hey, is this Tiffany?
Yeah, it's Tiffany.
Hey, Tiffany. It's Angelo Christian. How are you?
Good, good. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing great. I wanted to reach out to you. I just wanted to touch base and talk to you about your credit boost. And so, basically, whenever you applied with us, your credit score was 553. And, now we got you up to a 683 credit score. Now you're eligible to be able to buy a home and get it with, zero down because you're a veteran. So I just wanted to, go over that with you. And I know that you're, gracious enough to talk about it today and, kind of where you came from. And, you got denied from a lot of lenders. So I just wanted you to kind of share your story out there to the world and let everyone know how we helped you to boost up your credit score and kind of what you went through.
Oh, sure. Yeah, I'd be glad to elaborate on that. Yeah, like you said, I had a low credit score. You guys told me it was in the 550 range.
Mm-hmm.
And I was, pretty much hopeless. And I shopped around at so many banks, running my credit, everybody telling me they could help me to get into a home.
Right.
And nobody would ever get back to me, or I would receive denial letters in the mail, and I didn't know what was going on. And I pretty much, gave up, and I didn't think I'd ever be able to buy a house. And then I stumbled upon, your information that I found and how you help people
Mm-hmm.
with troubled credit, and that, they don't have perfect credit, but you have a program
Right.
to help
Right.
them. Yeah,
Well,
so that. Mm-hmm.
no, and that's the thing that I just wanted to let, our viewers know, that a lot of people are, worried, or they don't believe they can buy a house, or they're skeptical. They don't think they can get pre-approved because their
Right.
bank either denied them, or they think they have to have perfect A1 credit. And, your testimony, living proof that we helped you to boost up your credit score 120 points, and we did it within like 6 days. And whereas other banks are, denied you and told you they can't help you, we are actually literally able to boost up your credit score. Now you're pre-approved. You're shopping for a home with our realtor, and you're about to become a homeowner this year.
Yeah, it's definitely amazing. I never thought that it would happen for me, and I never, would believe that my score would jump up that high. And I'm just so excited to be able to be a homeowner. It's like a dream come true.
Well, no, and that's our mission. That's our job here. What we do, we help people to put them in a better financial position. And so, I want to thank you. I know you're really busy, for taking the time to talk to us and coming out on the show today to discuss it. What would you say to people that are out there that are kind of on the fence about, applying to buy a house, or they're worried about their credit? What would you tell them?
Well, I would say that I would definitely check out your information. Go to see Angelo Christian's videos, and it is possible for you to own a home. His team is, your team has definitely been great and helpful in getting my scoring up, and that it is possible, as long as, you work with a company that's very knowledgeable, like, you are, and your staff has been, to help me. like I said before, I would only recommend you, and I would, definitely tell,
Thank you. Thank
my
you.
friends and family that, yes, sister, to definitely give you a try, and that, no matter, how your credit looks, don't think that you're not able to get financing, or don't think that that you're not able to provide the help with the plan to help with my scoring, and get this up 100 points, that it is possible to
Yes.
eventually own a house and to bring up your credit score over 100 points. That's just amazing.
Yeah.
So definitely reach out to
Thank you
I would
very
definitely
much.
recommend everybody to reach out to you, and to try to get help to get pre-approved, where banks are just denying people left and right and don't even want to help
Right.
and provide a plan to get their scoring up to qualify.
Right. No, we're very gracious. And how's the home search coming along, by the way?
Oh, it's coming along really good. I've seen a few houses here that I really like, and going to get ready to put in an offer on one. I think I've narrowed it down
Cool.
to a 4-bedroom house, so it's really exciting for me. And
Awesome.
we're just going to see what happens next.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Tiffany, for taking the call. Take care and all the best. And if you need anything else, just let us know. And when you find a house, you put an offer, reach out to us, and we'll keep working on getting your credit score higher and higher.
Oh, thank you so much, and thank your team and yourself for everything you've done.
Yeah,
to help
yeah,
me,
for sure.
to get this done. It's been a dream, really come true.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you, Tiffany. Take care.
All right, thank you so
All right.
much.
All right. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.